Brand24 is powered by AI, and our R&D team are always working on new ways to improve data analysis and make insights even more valuable.
Now, let's go deeper into AI Insights, which we briefly mentioned earlier. This feature analyzes your projects, identifies trends, and offers recommendations for future actions based on what has worked in the past. It's particularly helpful for marketers juggling multiple brands or those tracking competitors, because while you may know your brand inside and out, keeping up with competitors can be a challenge. AI Insights summarizes key findings and draws conclusions for you, making decision-making easier. These insights come in both weekly and monthly reports, available in your Brand24 panel and inbox. You can also adjust the delivery day and add additional recipients, so the right people always stay informed.